Hello, Mount Mercy community. I'm Deb O'Hara, Facilities Operations Manager. In response to Mount Mercy's COVID-19 task force, the Facilities Department would like to mention a few things we are doing. We have implemented additional disinfecting in high traffic areas such as entrances, UC Commons, and stairwells. We have reassigned and rescheduled some of our staff in order to increase cleaning and disinfecting more in the dorms and Andreas. We have purchased 4 CDC-approved electrostatic spray machines to help with disinfecting. These machines will disinfect up to 18,000 square feet an hour. Additional hand sanitizers will be installed around campus and at building entrances. Plexiglass dividers will be placed in high traffic areas such as dining, information desk, hilltop, and some offices. As you can see behind me, the information desk is closed, but later on we will have a large piece of plexiglass covering the entire opening. This will not only protect the workers behind there, but you too. Thank you so much.